this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do Amazon ad campaigns for KDP, and for this demonstration, I'm going to be doing keywords. Okay, so we're going to go to your campaign here to create a campaign first. So if we're going to just type in our name and just type in the name of the book or the campaign name. Mine is a positive coloring book. So mine, I put positive coloring book keywords. And then so we're going to go to start date, and then we're going to do end date. Usually I like to do no end date, but you can end it at a specific time if you like. For budget, it's really up to you, but I like to do $5. For targeting, I like to do manual because we're going to do keywords today. And for campaign bidding strategy, usually I like to do dynamic bids down only. For ad format, this is up to you if you want to do custom text or standard ad. For this demonstration, I'm going to just do standard ad. And now I'm just going to create an ad group, and I'm just going to type in my ad group name. Alright, so now we're at product. So this is the part where you're going to actually add in your name for your product. So I put in my product right here. I'm going to add it. And you can easily search for this by going to the search bar right here. You can type in the name or the ASIN. So once you have all the products that you want to do for your ad campaign, you're going to just go to the next section. After that, you're going to go to manual targeting. So this is the part we're going to do keyword targeting. Choose keywords to help your products appear in shopper searches. And now we're at keyword targeting. Now this is the part where we do have to find out the keywords that we're going to use. To find this, we're going to use a specific software. So I opened up my Publisher Rocket software. This is the software that I use to find keywords. And so we're going to use this software, and it is a paid software, but it's totally worth it for Amazon advertising. So here we have this Ams Keyword Research. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to go to Ams Keyword Research. We're just going to type in the keyword. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to put in positive coloring. So now it's searching, and you have all of these keywords that you can use. You can do positive coloring, you can do adults, kids, affirmations. These are all the keywords that you can use for your keyword research. Now, this is not the cool part about the software. It's really the exporting right here. So I'm going to click on this, and what we're going to do, we're going to try our best to get at least 1,000 keywords. And yes, you heard that right, 1,000 keywords. The reason why we're doing this is we're just trying to hit many keywords as much as possible so we can be found in the search results. And so yeah, this is the best method that I found for Publisher Rocket. So we're going to go to export, and now we're just going to save our results into our desktop or our folder and on your computer. So once that's saved, we're going to go to new search, and then let's do something else. Let's just type in positive. Alright, so again, we found a lot of keywords that are related to the product. Same thing, export it. Just save it on wherever folder that you wanted to save it to. Okay, new search again. And again, just type in another keyword that's related. So let's just try affirmation. Export it. For this one, I did mindfulness coloring. So I'm going to again export it. And now I'm just going to move along ahead and fast forward and just do many related keyword researches as I can. And I also should mention, you also want to look at the keyword researches here. So what I mean by that is when you're trying to search for a new keyword and you don't really know what to type in right here, what you can do is actually just look at the results that you already created and get some ideas. So for example, you can look at this and see, oh, there's dreams here. Maybe you can write in dream coloring book. Or you can put something else where it says right here, it says meditative. Maybe that's another keyword. So yeah, you can write in meditative coloring. And another one just showed up again right here. It says relaxation. So I can put in relaxation coloring. I found the word stress relief. And I think that's about it. So once you're done, just make sure that you have exported just enough. Again, we're trying to reach for 1,000. So just try to find many keywords as you can to export. Don't worry about just reaching to 1,000, but you want to just do as much as you can. And again, the reason why we're doing up to 1,000 because that's the maximum keywords that you could input into the Amazon advertising. Okay, so we are back at the Amazon advertising. So we left off at keyword targeting. So we're at this part right here, and you're going to see suggested, and you can use some of these if you want. Coloring book is okay, but you definitely don't want to do like book because that's just very generic and just generalized. And so you can look through these and add them if you like. So if you want to add them, you can just do add. And if you want to add all of them, then you can do add all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go to enter list and we're going to go to bid. And it's going to do suggested bid. I recommend not to do that because the bid may be a little bit too high. For example, right here, it did a suggested bid for 0.64. I like to do around 0.1, which is 0.10 right here, or 0.20. So you want to keep the bid low so that Amazon advertising doesn't take so much income from you. So you want to just make sure that the bid is not too high. But if you want to do a higher bid, that's okay too as well. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get our list, and hopefully you saved this somewhere that you can find it. And so we're going to open it up. So this is what my Excel type of software looks like. Yours might look a little different. I'm on a Mac, so I'm using this program called Easy CSV Editor. And so we're going to use this, and so we're going to go to title. So pretty much you're just going to copy all this and just Command C, I'm on a Mac, Command V, and just add the keywords. It's going to ask you for suggested bid. I'm going to do 0.10 for this demonstration. And again, you can go back to bids right here. You can do custom bid 0.10. So after that, you're going to delete all this. And then again, get your next file. So you got your next file. I'm just going to copy all this and then add keywords. So we have around 500, so we're already almost at 1,000. So it gets filled up really quickly. So 1,000 sounded a lot before, but now it's not so much. You do want to make sure that the keywords are related to your product. So for example, I just found this one right here. It says Simply Shapes. It's not really the most specific keyword for this product, so you may want to take this out. To delete it, you want to press this X button. And then now, again, we can continue to add in more keywords, but make sure to just delete any keywords that you feel that is unnecessary to be in here. So we're going to add keywords again from another list. So add keywords. And now we are finished. We have finally added 1,000. So now that we're done, we're going to go to the next section. There's this part that says negative keyword targeting. It's optional. You don't have to do it. Some people like to do keywords like free just to take away that keyword. If you have any other keywords you want to take out that is somewhat related to your book and you know people are going to type it out but you don't want your book to show up, then this is a good place to put it. So this would be an example like free. After that, you want to press launch campaign.